Hey guys, this is my TGS. Today I'm maintaining my battery for my TGX 26.460, and basically I had to work on this battery, and I tried to figure out where to find help, but actually it's been really, and this is how it is. I actually tried because it was all dirty here, this place. I was figuring out how to really remove it, and yeah, so what I did was I had to remove this plate. And you can see this plate has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8 screws that you have to undo, and it's sighted 1 here, here, and there, and we got some also here and here, and that is how the batteries are attached. You can see the terminals are all corroded, and I thought sometimes I try to start the engine and it goes, giving a lot of some trouble. So I wanted just to open it and clean it up, and in fact I have already cleaned up. As you can see, I have already done a lot of work on it, and I thought I'll put up something in case it might help somebody down there, if you're in the same situation. Yeah, and then I got something also to install, which is like self-installed device like that, so which I have to install on the battery as well. And yeah, pretty much it. And yeah, so enjoy the video. I believe you will be watching how I go on installing the device. So let's go installing it. I'll put the camera here. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but there's nothing much you can do. So this is basically the device. So I want to connect it somewhere here. So pretty much I think it has to maybe stay somewhere like that, or I don't know, or maybe, probably I'll just have to stick it here. But the essence is that, because otherwise I don't know where else I can really put this things. But when working on a battery, you got to be really extra careful, because it's a dangerous part of the truck. Sometimes you can, if you look at the precautions there, and also when you finish working, you have to actually really take time to clean your hands, because it is a corrosive substance. So I loosened one of the terminals. You can see I loosened one of the terminals, and one of these terminals I have to probably put it in there. It has to go in something. It has to go in there, or anywhere I can find a positive area. I want to really put it in there. I want to connect it just inside it somewhere there, I want to connect it down, so you can see. Connect it somewhere in there. That is where this very thing has to be connected. So down there. Yeah. So once connected down there, and then also connect some things as well. Maybe I'll put the camera. I don't know how to hold this thing and see. This is how it goes, and then what I'll do, I'll tighten this, make sure this thing is really, so then I'll secure this to make sure that it's tightened all over. See? Because it is actually a tracking device for the truck. So basically I just want to connect it into this thing. So you want this terminal to really tight it. You got to make sure that you tighten it. And see. So I think it should be all like that. So make sure that this my battery terminal is really secured, otherwise you won't start the engine. You don't want it to be shaking. You want really to be really tight. So one of the terminal is installed. The next thing is for me to figure out how to connect it here. So this one has to go onto this terminal as well, which is there. Because the manual tell me negative to negative, positive to positive. So basically, that is how it is. One of them are just either here. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, pretty much somewhere like that. Maybe you can see it. But I believe we'll just put it somewhere in there. Then make sure that I tighten it. So too much standing like that is not good. I want it not to really be like this way. Something like that. You have to make sure that the battery is switched off, is connected from the truck. Because if you don't switch it off, you might end up, when you touch the terminal, they touch the body flying, it can create serious spark. There's a way to connect it. It is one that so like that. And then now I have to fill this in. This is how it is. So if I fill this in, maybe figure out where to attach this. So but I'm thinking to do whether it will stay here. So this one more. See, it's stick already. So now I can't remove it. So let it stick on the battery. But I really don't want it there, so I don't know. I can't remove it. So what I now do is to fold this in together so that it doesn't probably zip strap it. I hope this thing works. So they want me to hold this thing together. Trying to do that. You know. Maybe I'll hold it on here. Something just like that. Just like that. I need to move it around. Just like this, I lied them out here. It's not gonna go anywhere. So pretty much that's it actually. So it's plastic anyway, so it's not going to do anything. So I'll just leave it here like that. Way too much. When I get chance sometime on the cut. But at the moment, that is how the installation looks like. That is how the installation looks like. So I've got this device there. See, still is held, and I got the excess cable is tied in. Oh, then I put it down there, and that's how it is. So now I will go and start the see if it is to work. If the engine can start, and then I will close the boot.